Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Roblox age to 13 plus. So first you need to go to your Roblox, log into your Roblox, and then tap this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on settings. And then here what you're going to do is you have to scroll down under account info. You will see your birthday right here. So what you're going to do is tap on this pencil icon and then change your birth year. Let's just say 2004, or your age should be 13 plus right now. So basically, after that, tap on continue. And if you want to verify your age, then all you have to do here is just tap on verify your age to unlock features here, such as enable voice chat. You just have to follow some prompts, instructions, and begin verifying your age. And that's how easy it is to change Roblox age to 13 plus. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.